So you want to create the advert schedule for your Google Ads to only show your ads on specific days. This is really important for campaigns where you particularly are using answering calls where you can't be open on the weekends, so you need to have your ads turned off on the weekends. It could be the weekdays, or you could have optimized your campaigns and you could have analyzed them to suggest that conversions do not happen in the evenings, and I want to turn it off in the evenings because it is just wasting budgets. So this is how we do that. It's very simple. So what we're going to do is first select our example campaign here, and then we're going to go down to add schedule, and this is showing to me how much we are appearing. So this is a brand new campaign, and Mondays we are showing all day, Tuesday all day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday all day. So we are showing up every day of the week, 24 hours a day. So let's say, for example, we do not want to receive any conversions or any traffic to our campaigns on the weekends. This is how we do that. It is very, very simple. We can click here or here, and we just want to edit our schedule to show our ads will only run at these certain times. Currently we have all day from midnight to midnight. I'll show you an example of how we can change the time. So let's go. We only want to show from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So every day we are going to be showing up not within these hours of midnight to 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. to midnight. We're only going to show up for these times. So that's how you do that for the time. However, let's get rid of that and let's add instead, we only want to show up Monday to Fridays. Let's do it again for 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. There you go. So what we want is our campaign to show up Mondays to Fridays. So this does not include the weekends because we don't want to have any budgets being spent on the weekends because conversions aren't counted, or we don't have a team to answer the conversion or phone call. So let's do this Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. And look, we can see we have these times blocked out where we're not going to be able to appear. This shows up for both Saturday and Sunday, and also midnight to 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. to midnight. So we're only showing our adverts in these select times. And what else we can do is, once you get some more data down, you can then add bid adjustments. So we can see, for example, say we are getting loads of conversions on a Monday, no conversions on a Tuesday, we can add a bid adjustment. So we want to increase our bids by 20% on Monday because we get the best performance. And then we want to decrease our bids on Tuesday because we get lack of performance. So we don't want to spend as much money on these days because we don't get the best quality leads. So we can see we've made those bid adjustments there. So plus 20% on Monday and minus 20% on Tuesday. And there you go. You can do these for each of these days. And that is how you optimize for the time of day or days.